FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Thank you all my new subscriber, and thank you my old subscriber. I promise you won't be bored. So today we'll be making some little cookies, but I'm making activated charcoal cookies. And here are my ingredients for today. Just some little shell cookies. This is my butter. I already melted 1 stick of butter. I'm using vanilla extract, some sugar. This is cane sugar, flour all-purpose, some potato starch. You can use cornstarch, 3 eggs, a baking powder, salt, my activated charcoal, and 3 eggs. So this is what I'm working with today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. So guys, here's my 3 eggs. I'm gonna add 2/3 of a cup sugar and 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. So this I'm going to beat on medium speed for 2 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, come on over. So medium speed, 3 to 4 minutes until lightly yellow fluffy. So now I'm gonna add my stick of butter, melted and cool. So guys, now it's time to add my dry ingredients. I'm gonna sift in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of potato starch, 1/4 of my activated charcoal, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And use a spatula to mix it all in. With a tablespoon of melted butter, grease your pan. So guys, just put enough to cover your shells. And these are Fergie's signature activated charcoal shell cookies. So guys, now we're gonna put them in. Please don't let it go past 12 minutes because they're black. You don't want them to burn, all right? If you like what you see, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Okay, gang, we're at the end of another segment. Here are my activated cookie bites. My activated charcoal cookie bites. I hope you guys enjoy. I sprinkle with a little bit of powdered sugar to give it a black and white look, and they're tasty. Just grab a bite with a glass of milk, all right? As you know, I do my scripture and my motivation message for the day. Today's scripture is coming from Psalms 84 verse 10. A day in the courts of the Lord is better than a day elsewhere. I'm not talking about a basketball court or a tennis court. I'm talking about one-on-one with God, that special place. And you have a lot of time because we're isolated, all right? And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, sometimes you must go at war with yourself to fix yourself. So whatever is going on in your life, go to war with it and you will fix it. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. I love you guys and see you soon. Bye-bye.